Back in August 2024, there was an equity analyst from Wells Fargo who ordered 75 burrito bowls from Chipotle at 8 different locations to ultimately prove that Chipotle's portions were off. Well, his findings were as expected. The weights of the burrito bowls varied widely, with some locations having up over 33% in variance of size. This, of course, was just a foreshadowing of what was to come for Chipotle for 2025. The stock has absolutely plummeted in 2025, upwards of 43%. This past week, they had one of their worst earnings ever. The stock tumbled after the company cut its full year forecast for same store sales. People aren't lining up out the door for Chipotle anymore. And on top of this, the publicity only gets worse. People are complaining left and right, whether it be the prices jumping in locations upwards of 75% in the last 8 years, bad service, portion size being wildly off. And so people started chiming in. This one user came up with the idea of basically making a Chipotle value menu, and that could help sales. It even caught the eye of activist hedge fund investor Bill Ackman. If you don't know who Bill Ackman is, he's a hedge fund manager who owns a ton of Chipotle, been a huge Chipotle investor for many years. And basically he's infamous for whatever company he owns, he tries to completely control the company by coming out with long tweets and whatnot. But overall, I personally think that the problems with Chipotle are far more than just portion control or service, you name it. Chipotle should just not be a public company, end of story. I'm a pro-capitalist, and I still feel like any solution, make the bowls bigger, price smaller, whatever you name it, at the end of the day, it's not going to satisfy the shareholders, because any solution to the problem is going to hurt the stock price, and therefore it won't happen. Good fast food restaurants just simply shouldn't IPO. Look at In-N-Out, Chick-fil-A, Raising Cane's, you name it. All those are private companies that have no intention of ever going public. They don't need to cater to shareholders. They don't need to cater to billionaire VCs. They cater to one person, and that is the customer. They make good food. They delight the customer. Yes, they obviously still have to raise prices with inflation. And that's how these companies make way more money and will be around for decades to come. So that's my solution, is that the company should go private. What do you guys think?